So who's going to read number 1 for me? Wait, let me write this page number down. Write this down on yours. It's chapter 2, lesson 7. And what page is this?
102.
102. Okay. Okay. You need paper?
I'm gonna grab a book.
Okay. Okay, so page 102, Jack, since I'm glad you're talking, because you can read number 1 for me. Shh, zip it. You don't need anything to write with to be able to read. Okay. Number 1. Listen, guys. Okay, hold on. A tank has 100 and what? 1,000, I'm sorry. 1,000. 1,250, and he said gallons. Okay. I'm ready. Okay, so this water is going to go into 30-gallon barrels. There's the 30, there's the 30. Right? So I got to put this water in here. Okay, keep going.
What is the number of barrels that can completely fill and how much water is left?
Okay, so I got 2 questions. Do you agree? Question number 1, how many barrels are going to be completely full? Question number 2, how much water is left? How many gallons are left? Okay? So now, how many of these, how much of this can I put into each one? What does that mean to do? What am I doing to each little bucket? What am I doing to this big chunk of water? I'm dividing it up. Okay, so when I write that, are you ready?
Yes.
We write 1,250 divided by 30. What do they both end in, Hannah? Ah, so what can I do with that? What's my funny little trick about that? This one's got 1 0. This one's got 1 0. We can say bye to those. So now, can I just do my house?
Yes.
Okay. So which one goes on the inside?
1,200.
125 now, because I marked my zeros out, right? You marked yours out? Mark mine out. Okay. I can sure count by 3s a lot easier than I can 30s. Okay? Deep breath. Okay. So now, can 3 go into 1? No, I can't count by 3 to get 1. Can I count by 3 to get 12?
Yes.
How many times?
4.
3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so I got that, and I got to 12, didn't I? So bring down that 5. How many 3s can I count by to get 5?
1.
Just 1. And what is that? Oh, a 3. So I have 2, but I got nothing else to bring down. So can I count by 3s to get 2? So I'm kind of done, right? What is this little guy down here called?
Remainder.
A remainder, right. So if we look at this, let's answer both questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
How many were they called barrels? Is that what they call them?
How many barrels? Yeah.
Yeah. How many barrels get completely full? Say it again.
41.
41, because I could actually get the 3 into the 125 41 times, okay? So let's write it like this. 41 full barrels. What was the second question?
How many is left? Or how much water?
How much water is left?
2 gallons.
2 gallons are left.
Yes.
Why?
Because the remainder.
Oh,
And if you
because...
allow it. Why is it okay?
Can you say what, Jackson? Yeah. 2 gallons left. Okay? What?
Well, we have to divide 40. No, yeah. No, multiply 41 and 2.
Why?
says, like,
I didn't drink earlier, so just don't get in my cup, okay? You drink.
they have,
Okay. I didn't drink earlier, I swear.
it has to be like, she's not, like 41, like all of them have to be like in bags, so.
In bags?
I meant in barrels.
Yeah. There will be 41 barrels, Trey. There will be 41 barrels, and they'll have 30 gallons of water in each of them, okay? And so when I get done dumping all that water into those barrels, I only got 2 gallons left. Well, we'll do some more. Who's going to help me read number 2?
Me.
Who said me?
Me.
Okay, Abby. Now go slow. Number 2.
Students in a stamp club collect a total of 6,707 stamps.
Okay, let me write that down. 6,707 stamps. And that's a total, right? That's everybody's together. Yeah, Cameron.
I did that.
I don't normally let you. You don't get to on your math.
I accidentally did.
Well, you don't accidentally do it. But no, on your test you won't use calculators. So, okay, go ahead and finish up number 2.
Okay.
Go ahead, Abby. Start me on the next one.
They gave away 569 of the stamps.
Okay, 569.
Yes.
When you give away something, what does that mean to do?
Subtract.
Okay, so we're still thinking. We'll probably subtract that. Okay, keep going, Abby.
Then the students put equal numbers of the remaining stamps into 18 albums.
Oh, so we got another step, right?
Yeah.
So they put the remaining stamps. So if they got rid of these, you already told me what to do. What do I do?
Subtract.
Okay, so let's go ahead and subtract because we know now, since we read that sentence, we need the remaining stamps. Okay? So what do I do here first? Let's get those skills going.
Minus 7 and 9.
Okay, well, minus 7 and 9 for me. Tell me what you get.
Oh, you can do it.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so I got to come all the way over here and borrow, right?
Yes.
Let me erase that. Okay. You're welcome. Okay, so now 17 minus 9, I hope you get 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. Well, what about that guy right there? You just lost $6,000, brother.
Jump in the pool. Jump in the pool.
Okay, so listen. Shh. Now, Abby told me, read that third sentence, Abby.
Third sentence.
About the students put the remaining.
Then the students put equal numbers of the remaining stamps into 18 albums.
Okay, so we have all of our stamps. What would we do to them if we were putting them in 18 albums up here? I divide them into the 18 albums, right? Remember, you can always use a math word to describe what you're doing, okay? I'm going to divide them up. I'm going to multiply them into the albums. No, I'm going to divide them into the albums, okay? So we're going to take it and divide it by what? 18. 1, 3, 8. Count by 18s and get to 61.
What?
Yeah, I struggle with that too. So let's just add them. 6 and 1, so 36. Another 8. Is it 3? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3, 4, 5. So yeah, if I added another 18, it's going to be way higher than 61, right?
Yeah.
So it's going to be a 3 here. And that was 54. Can we do 61 minus 54? Can I do 1 minus 4? No, I can't have 1 and take away 4 pieces, can I? Very good, Trey. Using that word, borrow. Very good, Jackson. 7. What else now?
Bring on the 3.
Bring on that 3.
Jump in the pool.
Okay. Well, you need to check your subtraction.
I said jump in the pool.
Okay. Shh, Abby, settle back. Okay, so now we're going to put another 18 on here just to see. 2, 5, 6, 7. I'm almost there. I got a 72. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 18s, right? Okay, so I got 4 right here now. Oh, come on. Where did he go? Okay, and it was 72, right? Okay, we got that one, don't we? 1, bring down that 8. So count by 18 to get to 18. Oh! So 341 what? I got 341. Albums?
Stamps in an album.
Oh, because I had 18 albums, right?
Yeah.
So 341 what goes in the album? Stamps. So good job. Good job.
So your remainder.
No. Did you get a remainder? Look, Jackson.
Oh.
If you get 18 here, we got it down there. What's 18 minus 18?
0.
Yeah, so we didn't catch a remainder that time, did we? No remainders on that one. Do these feel better? Yeah. After we did the super hard ones yesterday, you think these are super easy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Kinda.
Okay.
Kind of.
Alright, let's try. Trey's going to read number 3 for me. Alright, go slow, Trey. Trey, remember I don't have my book.
Had 49 boxes of strawberries. Each box.
Okay, whoa. We had 49 boxes of strawberries. Red means strawberry. 49 boxes. Okay, I'm ready, Trey. You don't know that. Not your business. Okay, next sentence. I'm ready.
Each box contains 75 strawberries.
Oh, Lord. So one box. Doesn't each mean one?
Yes.
What if I said each student has 5 Skittles just for Miss Deer? Does that mean I only get 5? No, I get all of them, right? So each of you have 5. One person has 5, okay? So we'd have a bunch together, right? So if one box has how many?
75.
One box has 75. That's a lot of strawberries, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're thinking, Trey, what's my next sentence?
The strawberries were repacked into small boxes with 15 strawberries.
Okay. So they took all of these and they threw them all in a pot. And they said, now we're going to go to how many boxes, Trey?
Small.
No, but what did it say? Where's that
15 strawberries.
Oh, 15 strawberries in a box?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to take and make little boxes for each person to have, because if you eat 75 strawberries, you're going to have a bellyache. So we're going to put 15 in a box, so maybe they won't be sick. Okay? So first, how many strawberries do I even have?
You have
49
No, I have 49 what?
boxes of.
Of 75 strawberries. There's, zip it. Hold on, no. Listen. That word of, little secret for you, if you have 49 boxes of 75 strawberries, hint, of means times. Of means times. Okay? So, if I'm going to find out my total, what am I going to do to these two numbers? Multiply times. Okay, so let's times them to see the total, all these strawberries I had together. This is a good skill for you to be practicing right now, because didn't we do this chapter?
Yes.
Yes, remember, draw your turtle, okay? You know the answer, or, okay, we'll just wait. 5 times 9 is what?
45.
Okay, so 5, carry my 4. Whoop, what's 5 times 4?
20.
21, 22, 23, 24, right? Okay, draw his collar, lay the egg. What is 7 times 9?
63.
Yeah, 63, so 3, carry my 6, and then 7 times 4, shh. Yes, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, because I got that 6. So I said 34. So let's add them. Bring things down. 5 and 0 is 5. 4 and 3 is 7. 2 and 4 is 6. And then 3. Right? 500? Check. Don't rush on that adding, because I'm going to tell you something. We know how to add, right?
Yes.
And we try to get in a rush when we're doing simple things to us. That's where we mess up the most.
I don't, because I get messed up on it whenever I'm just trying to add it simply.
I'm ignoring you. Okay. So now, I'm going to put, Trey told me, I'm going to put 15 strawberries in each box. I'm going to have some small boxes, okay? So, I'm going to do what to these strawberries? What am I going to do to them to put them in small boxes?
Divide.
Divide. Very good. Very good. This sounds much better. So what do I do to that? I have to do what?
Go to the 6 or plus 15 to go 30.
Right. Did you hear what he said? He said I got to go to the 6 because I can't count by 15 to get 3. Okay, so let's do them. My 15s. I know that 15 and 15. Do you know what that one is?
30.
Okay, so that one's 30. So I know that if I add another 15, I'm going to go over.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to put 2 of them there. So it's 36 minus 30.
6.
Yeah, good deal. 6.
You bring down your 7.
Bring down my 7. Good job, guys.
Plus 15 on size.
15. No.
Wait,
Count by 15s to get to 67. Don't rush. I know what y'all mean, but don't rush, okay? When we speak, that's why I like it when you don't blurt things out. Because when you blurt things out, sometimes it doesn't give another person time to think, does it?
I got another thing.
Shh. Okay. Hush. We're going to add another 15. 45. I could probably maybe do another 15. Let's see what that does. Are you sure? 4, 5, 6. I got 60. So, but I probably can't do another one, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that was 60. So what's 67? Take away 60? 7. And bring down that 5. Okay, so let's keep on adding. Very good. You add one more. Shh, zip it. Add one more, you get 75. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 245. I'm done. Don't guess. What? 245 what though?
Boxes.
Boxes. Very good, Trey. With how many strawberries in each?
15.
With 15 strawberries in each. Very good. Boxes. Good. Feeling better?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, number 4's got ABC. Oh gosh. What's wrong with you?
Oh, and our video was 18 minutes.
Oh my gosh, it's okay. Number 4. Number 4. Who's gonna read that one for me?
Me.
Sean.
It's 13. Which is a weird thing.
Well, it's okay.
Okay, $2 for each package of $12.
Okay, time out. He paid $2 for each package of granola bars.
Yep.
That's all it says.
Yeah.
So, okay. So hold on. Let's read. He paid $2 for each package of 12 granola bars. So I got 12 granola bars in each package. Is that how you're understanding it? Okay. Hold on. Okay. So there's $12 each. 12 in each. Okay. Kind of give us some notes. All right. Now, Sean, go on after that sentence.
So each granola bar.
Okay, so he's going to take and sell each one of those. 1 bar equals 50 cents. Okay, with it on that. Okay, Sean, I'm ready for the next.
Italy sold a total of 4,385 granola bars.
Good gracious. So he sold, say it again.
4,385.
Good Lord, he's an entrepreneur. Okay, what's A?
Granola bar.
I hear you.
What is the least number of packages? I can see that here.
You want to scoot your desk over. Scoot it up here. Pull your chair out. Or here, sit in front of Lance. That might help. You'll be right in front of it. Move your foot. If you have to sit down, if your foot's in the seat. Shh. Okay, is that better? Okay, so now, question A, say it to me again. Okay, so each package has how many bars in it? 12. So, what could I do? What do you think, Trey? What do you think?
You have to like minus.
No, I'm honest. No, you're. Who said that? Lance thinks we should divide, but what do I divide? By what, Jackson? By 5? By the 12, because there's 12 bars in one package, right? So if I take this and divide it by 12, it'll tell me my packages?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do it. They said probably not.
It's ABC.
You have to do it 4 times. You could get it 43.
12, 24, 36. You're right, because 4 would be 48. Good job, Jackson. So 3, and that's 36. So let's subtract that correctly. Stop, or I'm taking a video and texting you wrong. Good job. So borrow. So I do too. And now what?
Then at P0, then you have to
Put down your 8.
Okay.
What's 12? 12. How much shots do you go on 12 to 78?
Good job. So let's count by that.
8 times 24.
74. I got 6. 6 or 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. It's okay if you're not great at counting by 12s. If you're not, practice. Okay? Just practice till you get to 120. Okay? So I forgot what I said. 6. Okay. 72.
and it'd be 6, and then you have to put down your 5, and that would be 5.
Okay, so 65.
And how much 12 will go on to 65? That will be
5 times. Good job. And that's 60, right? But that doesn't get me all the way to 65. So do I have anything left to bring down? No, so what is this 5 down here?
That's the remainder.
That's my remainder. Okay, so my question is, I promise y'all I'm going to bring you Snicker bars tomorrow.
Yeah.
And a package, I said, I promised you, but I'm not doing that. And a package only has 15 in it. So I just buy one package. Is that enough?
No.
No, because I have people left out. I have a remainder,
Yeah,
right? So listen, guys, focus on the math, not the candy. So if you have a remainder left, can I leave those 5 out? No. So what do I have to do to the packages, Trey? I have to add another one because it's not there, right? So instead of 365 or 65 packages, how many am I going to have?
370.
No.
366.
366. Just add 1. We're not adding 10. You're working into my profit, girl. Okay, so just add 1 more, and we get 366. Okay? So that's all my packages.
I thought the remainder was supposed to be 5.
Okay, the remainder is 5, but that means there's 5 left out, Jackson. How many bars are in a package, did they say? Shh. Hold on, let me finish writing. It's hard to think when you're writing stuff down. Shh. Jackson, how many bars were in a package? How many did we say?
1.
No, look right.
12.
12 were in a package, right? So if I have 5 left, wouldn't 1 package do it? Yeah, because there's 12, right? Okay, so 1 extra package would do it, okay? That's why we just added 1 more on. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, B. Zoe, read B for me. Okay, whoa. I got how many, this is A. I got how many packages I have. How much, somebody else, how much, Caleb, is each package worth? Okay, so I have $2. Here's all these packages. What should I do? Why do you think that? What does dividing do to your number? No, it makes it smaller. It goes down. What does multiplying do to your number?
It makes it bigger.
Does it make sense to divide to get smaller amounts of money? No, because if you have all these and they're $2 each, my number's going to be what? Bigger. So multiplying is what I'm going to do. Good job, Jackson. So let's multiply. No, stop calling my name.
Shoes and socks off.
I didn't wear socks today, but thanks. Times 2. My shoes were hurting my feet. I got carpet. They don't stink. Shh, focus on your math. I don't care. Focus on your math. So 6 times 2 is 12. Carry my 1. 6 times 2 again is 12. 1 is 13. And then 2 times 3 is 6.
I got 732.
Very good. Very good. And so this is part B. This is part B. So now, Jackson, since you're on a roll, you're going to read C for me.
I don't have my book. I can you can borrow mine.
Oh, that's okay. Yes, sometimes I do. Oh, sorry.
How much money did he make after he sold 4,385 granola bars?
Oh, my goodness. Okay. So, Jackson, first, how much did he spend?
732.
This is how much he spent, right? Because he had to buy those granola bars. How much does each granola bar cost? No. No, shh. 50 cents. 50 cents. Remember, at the beginning it said 1 bar was 50 cents? Okay, think back. How many bars did he sell?
He sold 4,385.
Okay, so how do I know, and this is getting us into money, but that's okay because we can do it. Okay? What can I do with these two? What? Is it divide?
Multiply.
It's multiply. I'm going to multiply these two because
50
cents. So, are you listening? I'm going to show you how to multiply with money real fast. You're not focusing. Shh. So, we're going to take the, Jackson, tell me what that number was again. 4,000.
4,385.
Okay. And let's just times by 50. Okay? Let's just times by 50, and I'll show you how to do money in a second. Are you ready? Remember, when we times by 50, can't I hang that 0 over to the side?
Yeah.
Yes, and because we know we're going to have to put him on at the end. Yes, yes. This was this chapter.
Because it's 50 cents. It's the last one.
Yeah. Okay, so 50. 5 times 5 is what?
5.
Very good. So 5, carry my 2. What's next? 8 times 5?
That's 42. 40, but
40, and then 2 more is 42. Okay. 5 times 3 is 15. 6, 7, 18, 19, right? And then 5 times 4 is 20. 21.
Oh,
And then you got to bring your 0 down. Okay, shh. Now focus. How many numbers are behind the decimal in money? 2, right? Because I got 50 cents, right? Okay, so now it wants to know how much he made. When you are making money and you have to spend money, does it make sense that it's not going to be exactly how much money came in right away? Don't move. If I bought, let's say we go to the concession stand over there, and I bought some suckers for y'all, okay? But y'all have to buy them back. Does it make sense that just because y'all give me $20 that I had to buy those suckers, so I'm not really making 20 whole dollars? Right? Well, I'm getting it back. Let's say I spent $4 on those suckers. I have to take my $4 out, right? So how much did he spend?
he spent $732.
Very good. So I have to take my 2,100. Yes, very good. And 50 cents and minus it from that. What's this with decimals? Isn't it 0.00? Yeah. Oh, so let's not forget that. That one's probably kind of harder. Okay. So you take those away real fast. 0, 5, 0, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I got,
Check.
oh, I got it right. I was the one. So we were on B. I thought we had it like minus $2 or 50 cents.